Khandie, me, hi, and my crazy ass hat from Killstar. I love it. You're joining me in my kitchen. I'm just going to talk you through a shoot that I recently did in my studio. Not every shoot is crazy locations, and I want to be really honest and real about the type of shoots that happen in the studio. Other than regular shoots that we have, which are like headshots and family portraits, we also do portrait sessions for individuals, and although we can make these beautiful and quirky, it's just to show that you don't need to shoot off to a different place and get them. I am going to show you how I change the background and some of the lenses to do, so I hope you like it. And this is done with one light, so you could do this or recreate this. It's just one light, okay? So yeah.
Ultra soft light, as you can see, minimal shadows, V flat to block even more light. Kerry's going to park her bum there, and then we're going to shoot once we've checked the light positioning.
You can see here, put the smoke machine on, got Kerry to move about to get some atmosphere in. Be careful because light can really bounce off of that smoke. So I had to slightly underexpose, which you'll see in the forthcoming images. That movement really gives the smoke some more movement and texture, and I love it. As you can see here, it's edited. And then I went for a slightly softer look with the smoke to get this sort of atmospheric look, and then again with the swirling. Then put Kerry on a stool and use the V flat as both a prop to give some interest to the backdrop, but also use it to cut down on the light being passed around the whole set. And I'm telling her where to put her head so that we can get the light into her eyes for those beautiful catch lights that we need. Here we go. I like these ones. These are shot on the various lenses that I was using, which I put on the caption, I hope, by this point. But yeah, this is the raw image, so you can see, and then what the final image was, because I like sharing those.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Mwah.